How to fix this media couldn't be added to Shopify and resize images. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss this and try to solve your problem with many different ways. So we will need to check a few things first because usually or most of the time, this is going to be the cause of the problem. And you will need to basically just check these things. And then also, this is going to talk about real quick and you will see exactly what I mean. So first is going to be checking the file format. So if it's not one of these, which are listed right in front of you, then in that case, you will need to just use your browser to convert the extension that you have to one of those, like for example, JPEG or so on, because those are actually supported by Shopify and it will actually accept them. Otherwise, it's not really going to accept them and it's not going to allow you to upload. Now, in order for you to actually know the extension of your image, what you want to do, just open up your file where you will find your images, and what you want to do, just click on the view option on the top and make sure you toggle on the file name extensions. And now you can actually see at the end of every name, there's going to have .png, .png, .webp, there you go, JPEG, as you can see. So this is basically how to know the type of extension that you have for your images. Next up, you will need to also fall in line when it comes to the file size and resolution. It's going to be 20 megabytes for the weight, and when it comes to pixels, it's going to be 20 megapixels for the images. So make sure to be in that range, otherwise it's again not going to accept it. Also, you're going to find special characters if you actually have a name of an image. So the file name does actually contain special characters. It's not going to also let it work. So make sure you kind of rename it to not include any of them, like for example, the and so on. So just make sure to add the hyphen if you want to, the dash. This is the only thing that we can actually use. Otherwise, maybe even the underscore, but let's just try to avoid that just in case. So next up, if you did actually check all of these things and it still doesn't work, the last solution that I have for you is to actually clear the cache of your browser. So you can just go in and do Command-Shift-Delete or Control-Shift-Delete if you're on Windows. And what you can do, basically just remove the cached images and files. You can toggle those on or off, it's up to you. And click on delete data, and that's pretty much all you need to do. And now try again, and hopefully it's going to allow you to actually upload your files now. If you have an image which is extra large and it's going to slow down your Shopify or it's not going to upload, you can just use tinypng.com, which is going to be this one, to upload your image, and it's just going to basically make it smaller, so you can actually use that instead of the current one that you have. It's not really going to lose a lot of quality, so it's completely fine. Just go in and upload your image by clicking here, and it's just going to do the work for you. With that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.